The last thing you need to ever be doing as a first time or a recent business owner is to compare your first day to someone's 10 years. In this video, I'll help you relieve any anxiety, what you really need to start your own cleaning business. Remove any unnecessary things so that you can make more money and save time in your cleaning business. Hello, it's Chanique here, the Cleaning Authority boss, and I'm helping you, new and inspired entrepreneurs, start and grow your business. Here on my channel, I'll talk about my experience with starting and growing a cleaning business, lifestyle, entrepreneurship, mindset. So if you want to learn everything sales, marketing, productivity, and lifestyle, then be sure to subscribe. This video is dedicated to anyone who might be overthinking, nervous, worried, or have no way of starting a business. You have no idea, you've never done it before, you're not tech savvy. Everything in this video is going to help you with exactly what you actually need to start and grow your cleaning business. I started with dollar store, Walmart products, and found my first few clients asking friends and family. Eventually, I started to reinvest and build up my business. Now I'm full-time, have never had to work for someone else for the last 2 years. I want to empower you as you work for your huge, big goal, you can still enjoy your life, love yourself, and the people around you. So let's get into what you actually need to start and grow your cleaning business. The first question I always get is, do you need some kind of licensing, some kind of certification to have a cleaning business? And no, you don't. If you're not using any mainstream like power tools, and typically you don't really need any kind of certification for that either, you can start your home or commercial cleaning business with just you products and find your first clients. You don't need any certifications. However, it's going to help with your own skill or the skills of others to have some kind of training so that you are more confident showing up at your client, but it's not necessary. But here are some things that you do want to consider when starting your business. So you may not need any certification, but you do want to register your business. If you want to build a longevity business, you want to start with the right foundation. So register your business. Here in Ontario, Canada, in Canada in general, you don't need to start with the LLC or incorporation, what we call it here. You can start as a sole proprietor, and you can register your business as easy as going to the video right here. I walk you through how to register your business. It's only $60. And if you do want help, you can check the link in my bio for owner.co. They're an amazing company that helps you register your sole proprietorship as well as incorporation. However, if you are in a different area, especially in the States, you want to determine what is your credentials for your state. Is it mandatory to have an incorporation, or can you go with a sole proprietorship? That's something that you do have to do your research with. Call your state, your province, or your area to determine what you need to have a legitimate business running. Another piece of document that you highly want to get is an insurance. It's really scary to see how many small businesses don't have an insurance. You never know when you may have an accident. And sometimes it's actually not really your fault. When you have insurance and having that coverage, it gives you peace of mind. It gives your clients peace of mind, especially when you're working with larger companies. If you're someone who wants a 6-figure business, you want 7 figures, you cannot imagine to attract that type of client if you don't even want to cover yourself with a $100 monthly fee. Let's shift our mindset there and open up opportunities. First, you need to invest in yourself. I always get the comment, I will get insurance once I get my big time client. You just never know. Check the link in my bio. I'll give you some suggestions for fast insurances that you can get right now that is even as low as $3 when you're first starting out. Now, marketing. Do you need to start with paid marketing, or could you go with free marketing? If I were to start all over again, I will go right into paid marketing. Paid marketing will get you faster exposure, more credibility, as well as you get warm leads right away. I started my first 3 years really struggling and trying to find organic ways to get clients, which definitely works in the longevity, and organic marketing does pay off. I've built a very good online brand for my cleaning business. I have a sweet mixture of both. But if I'm starting out and no one knows me, I would use a paid marketing. The only paid marketing that I personally love right now is Google Ads. Because it's Google, you have such great credibility, have warm leads who want cleaning services within the next 24 hours. Investing in your business, investing in marketing, especially when you don't see it right away. When you're growing your business, you're not going to see overnight success, and you have to have resilience and dedication to see it through. My coach, yes, I do have a coach. The doctor has a doctor. Really put an amazing mindset in my mind. When I was nervous to be paying like $20 per lead And I'm like, I don't have the money. I'm still trying to make myself build up my business. What the heck am I going to do? He told me, what's your goal? I want to make 6 figures. I want to make at least $25,000 a month consistently. I want to see at least $10,000 worth of profit. He's okay. Put yourself in that position. If you were paying $20 per lead, would it be a problem in that state? No, I need you to embody who you will be as a business owner. Now, every time I feel icky or worried of investing, I always think to myself, the person who already has what I want, would they be worried about doing this? No, I need to do this. It just means that you don't buy shoes next week, or instead of getting the steak, you're going to be eating eggs this week. That's just the name of the game when it comes to entrepreneurship and building up. There's a little sacrifices to see the amazing growth, and you should be able to enjoy the journey. And that's what I do. The growth process of getting there and the mindset shifts has just been so amazing. And I hope it helps you too, is that you do need to have the strength, resilience to invest in yourself to see growth. Right after that advice, 24 hours after, I made $1,200 worth of book sales with 8 leads. In addition to organic marketing, consider paid marketing as well as organic marketing. And regarding to marketing, what do you really need? Do you need a website? Do you need business cards? Do you need flyers? Do you need all of that? I suggest to my one-on-one clients, have at least 2 to 4 marketing avenues. Understand your budget and track what you're paying for these avenues and what you're returning always, okay? So having a website is one of your avenues. Then you have to consider that's a $40, $50 fee every month. And what is the purpose of a website? I didn't start with a website when I first started, and I don't believe it is necessary when you first start. You need your Facebook. You need your My Business Google account. You can only have a My Business Google account if you're a legitimate business. They do ask for all your credentials. So that's why it's really important to also have everything set up. They also ask for insurance. Then all your free avenues as well, Instagram, TikTok, possibly. But you have to understand that you need to be consistent on these platforms. So if you're choosing 3 to 4, it might be, I'm going to have My Business Google. I'm going to update that every 3 months. I'm going to have my Facebook page, and I'm going to have my Instagram. Then I would do it all over again to have one paid marketing. And I'm only going to suggest Google LSA and have a budget of maybe $200 to $400 starting out. And then as you build up your business, your clientele, you can increase. You could switch out your Instagram for cold email marketing. I have a video on how I cold email market, or it could be cold calling and things of that nature. But at least need to have 3 to 4 and tracking how many leads each of them are coming from. A mistake that a lot of business owners are making is they're not tracking their leads. They're not even tracking your profit and just swearing off that doesn't work. You have no numbers. You have no analytics on how to improve or make it better. You don't know the health of your business. That's not how a business-minded person works, ever. You're not going to go into the Coca-Cola Corporation and be like, so how's business? I don't know. I think we're making good. No, they're going to give you number by number losses, improvements, labor, all of that. Another thing that you definitely need is your products. What products do you need? Do not overthink it. I thought that I would have clients judge me on the type of cleaning products. The more expensive I went, the more respect I would get. That's not the case. If you provide great service, you will get the respect. What you want to consider with your products is if they do the job well. Make sure you're using the right products for the right surfaces. Like your everyday household items in Walmart, all-purpose, disinfecting, toilet bowl cleaner, stainless steel cleaner, wood cleaner, floor cleaner, and kitchen degreaser. Those are your staple, especially if you're doing home cleaning. If you're doing commercial cleaning, even less. You typically just need a really good disinfectant. Zip is my go-to product suggestion. They have an amazing line for commercial that you could also use in your home as well, home cleaning as well. And they sell it by the gallons, and it's so affordable and they work so well. If you are not doing the cleaning and you're getting subcontractors, then you don't need to care about what products you use. You just want to make sure that their subcontractor are well equipped with their products and equipment. Doing quality checks with your clients to make sure that they do have the right products. When you're starting out, do you need to have staff, or should you wait until you make an X amount of dollars and start hiring staff? If I were to do it all over again, the moment I started, I would already look for subcontractors. If you want to start your remote cleaning business, check out my 6 steps to how to start a remote cleaning business. It's completely free. Check the link. The limiting belief is that I have to work hard. I have to get paid less. I have to work my way up to be able to afford and hire staff. That's not the case. If you build a business from the beginning on the right foundation, you will have enough money to pay for your staff. Some people do want to start out as being the cleaner, and that's fine. I still would suggest finding some kind of help, because cleaning one home for 5 hours is not beneficial when you could clean 2 homes for 5 hours. Is it easy to find people? No. Working with people is the toughest part of any business, but nothing that's worth it will come easy. There's also pros and cons into it. If you want a video on the pros and cons of contractors, then just let me know. And the most important thing you need when starting your new business is to give yourself grace and shift and improve your mindset. If this is your first business, if maybe you're doing this all over again and you're trying this again, you need to come with the most resilient, most dedicated mindset ever. It's been 5 years for me. I've seen ups and downs, slow growth. You deserve to have the most beautiful inside to see your desirable outside. And I'm not just saying this to make you feel good. I need you to understand that it doesn't matter how much money you make, doesn't matter how many clients go through that door. If you don't have the mindset to be grateful, to accept these people, if you are not 100% confident that you have what it takes to take on a 6-figure account right now, then it means that your mindset and your self-concept is not mature enough to even get that. This is the most important thing you need to start your business, is to prepare your mind, prepare yourself for opportunity, for abundance, and really condition yourself to accept the best in your business. And have grace, because there is ups and downs. People make mistakes, and as long as you learn from it, you're just gonna get better. Let me know your takeaway in the comments of this video. Do you feel more confident starting your business? Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you next week.